So I want to wish, I want to give these 3 points, not just for our players that make fantastic exhibition, but also for our supporters because they deserve. Good evening, or Salamat Malam. I am happy with the result. I think we create more 2 or 3 good chances that we can score on first half and on the second half. Was important that we score first than Sabah. And we make what Sabah make to us on the first match. On the first match, Sabah scored very early, and after control the game with offensive transition and Bago's very good accuracy. Today we have good chances on the first half. Sometimes the last pass not so good, but I am very happy because we show that we can, if we are focused, if we work hard, we can try to win the match away also. And was this that these players today prove? Our squad today not come many players that have injured, so it's opportunity to other players. See how many young players that we put on the second half. And this is the reality of PSM Makassar. I am very proud that we can win against strong team with more budget. And I hope that this can be a motivation also for the supporters. Now that we not are on AFC Cup, can go for Indonesia League and support our team because these players need the support to give extra energy to them. Okay, I think these players and this team don't want to show a bad last picture on AFC Cup. I think was like this because our game against Sabah at home was not at home, was on Bali, was not good. Not good performance, not good result, many mistakes, and we want to show different things. Also, our game, the first game on AFC Cup on Vietnam was not good. Very bad organization on the trip, many problems, many players that we cannot take. So today we try to show different picture, and we show that maybe if we change some things on the first match, better organization, and also better focus from our team on the game that we play at home against Sabah, maybe we can discuss passing or not on AFC Cup. But I want to say congratulations to Sabah because they win the group, and also to wish good luck. No, this is our team. Our team normally is young players that we try to bet, because we are different of other teams. Other teams on Indonesia can go to other team local and buy and sign player. We know we don't have these chances. Okay, foreign players we make, but local players we cannot make this. And a good example was that last season we are champion and we lose many players important. But now this is a different season. Many difficulties. We are the travel team. We always travel, also in home games we travel. And I think this is a very good word for these players and also for our supporters, because if the team must travel, the supporters need to travel also, and they make big sacrifices. So I want to wish, I want to give these 3 points, not just for our players that make fantastic exhibition, but also for our supporters because they deserve.